मंगल होय रे मंगल तेरा मंगल सबका मंगल होय रे मंगल तेरा मंगल सबका मंगल होय रे.
May all beings be well and happy. Whatever living beings they may be, whether they are weak or strong or medium, the great or the mighty, medium, short or small, the seen and the unseen, those living near and far away, those born and to be born, may all beings be well and happy. Let none deceive another or despise any being in any state. Let none through anger or ill will wish harm upon another. Even as beloved mother protects with her life her child, her only child, so with the boundless heart should one cherish all living beings, radiating kindness over the entire world, spreading upwards to the skies and downwards to the depths, outwards and unbounded, freed from anger, violence, ill will and hatred. Cultivate, practice and spread boundless love, universal friendliness, non-violence and peace to all the living beings. May you be blessed, may I be blessed, may all be blessed. Sabbe sattva sukhi hotu, sabbe sattva sukhi hotu, sabbe sattva sukhi hotu.
Sa